Hi everyone, this is Zakir and I welcome all of you in this computer networking course. In this video, we are going to discuss about modem network device. This is our fifth lecture about network devices. Before that, we have discussed about hub, switch, router, repeater and bridge network device. So without wasting any more time, let's start. Modem is a network device that is placed between the telephone line and a computer system for the purpose to send or receive data over telephone lines. Modem has two parts, modulator and demodulator. As we know that data stored on a computer is digital, whereas a telephone line can only transmit analog data. So here the part of modem called modulator is used to convert digital data into analog data when the data is being sent by the computer. And another part of modem called demodulator is used to convert analog data into digital data. To better understand the working of modem, let's take a look at this diagram. Suppose we have two computers, computer A and computer B. And computer A wants to send any message to computer B. When the data is sent from A to B, it transmits into a digital form. Since telephone line can only transmit analog data, so here we use modulator which converts digital signal into an analog signal. Now the data passes through the telephone line as an analog. Now as we know that data stored on a computer is only a digital, so here we use demodulator which converts this analog signal into a digital signal and sends it to computer B. This is the working of modem. So in this video, we have learned about modem, which is a network device placed between the computer system and telephone line. Modem has two parts, modulator and demodulator. Modulator is used to convert digital data into analog and demodulator is used to convert analog signal into digital. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel Crash 4 for more informative videos. See you next time. Till then, thank you and bye bye.